Let's study about the mammary glands. Mammary glands, so they are not directly connected to the reproductive structure, right? Which are not present with the ovary and the uterus. They all are connected, but mammary glands they're not directly connected, but they are integrated with the female reproductive system. So that involves in the different steps of the uh, reproduction. They involve in the different steps in the reproduction. Okay, so the mammary glands, also called as breast, that contain the glandular tissue and variable amount of fat. So the mammary glands means that secrete something, right? So here mainly the mammary gland, that is made up of the glandular tissue and the variable amount of fat. So here you can see the fat and the glandular tissue. So the glandular tissue of each breast is divided into 15 to 20 mammary lobes. So here the glandular tissue, you can see that 15 to 20 mammary lobes. Okay, so here you can see the mammary lobes containing the cluster of cells called alveoli. So this mammary lobe that contain the cluster of cells, that is called as alveoli. What is the function of this alveoli? Alveoli secrete the milk which is stored in the cavities of the alveoli. Okay, so these cells that secrete the milk, so mammary lobe that contain the cluster of cells alveoli which secrete the milk. Okay, so that is the main thing. Then the alveoli open into mammary tubules. So this alveoli that open into mammary tubules. The tubules of each lobe join to form the mammary duct. So this mammary lobes, these are, just imagine, these are the mammary lobes. Okay, so this alveoli open into the tubular structure. So each alveoli present in the mammary lobe that open into the tubular structure, that is called as mammary tubules. So these all tubules open into a structure that is called as mammary duct. So these all structure that open into a structure that is called as mammary duct. And this mammary duct, several mammary ducts. So here you can see the many mammary duct, right? So this mammary duct that open into a wider structure, that is ampulla, and ampulla which is connected to the lactiferous duct, so through which the milk is sucked out. So here, just to understand the mammary lobes. Okay, so these mammary lobes contain the alveoli cells which secrete the milk. Okay, so this alveoli open into the structure, all these alveoli open into the structure that is called as mammary tubules. Okay, so these are called as mammary tubules. And these mammary tubules, just for your understanding purpose, mammary tubules join into a structure. So these all mammary tubules join into a structure that is called as mammary duct. So this is mammary duct. Okay, so this is mammary duct, and this mammary duct, so there are several mammary duct like this, so which contain the mammary tubules. So these several mammary ducts open into a structure. So these all duct open into a structure that is called as mammary ampulla, and ampulla that is connected to the lactiferous duct through which the milk sucked outside. Okay, so like this you have to understand the mammary gland. Mammary lobes which contain the alveoli, and the alveolus that open into the mammary tubules, then that forms the mammary duct, and ampulla and the lactiferous duct. So this is how the milk is produced inside the mammary gland. Thank you.